We're about to perm my hair. Am I nervous? Yes. Am I scared? Slightly. Do you see this? This is not working. Okay, natural hair mommy, not working. So we're gonna do a strand test and see how that goes and pray for the best. Okay, I will be using Dark and Lovely Triple Nourish silkening relaxer, and we are using some olive oil professional neutralizing shampoo and Nairobi's Humectacil, the moisture replenisher conditioner with Nairoplex. It's a lot of words I don't know, so we're gonna go with that and pray I do a good job. All right. I feel like I need to have gloves on for this. Y'all, I'm scared. Send up the perm. Send up the perm. That was mad strong. You know, my mom used to do this when I was younger, and like I remember like little memories of this, but not like too much. But and this is why I changed my shirt. This is why I changed my shirt. Because that would have been tight if I got it on my new Primark shirt. Did we get it on me already? I've colored my hair countless times. I probably should put the other one on. I've colored my hair countless times. Like, I've colored my hair when it was long. I've colored my hair when it was short. Like, but I've never done perm. I guess because I was really not a perm girly, like, growing up. That wasn't really my forte. We were definitely natural haired girls. Most we did was a maxi glide. For those that know about maxi glide, that was really what we used growing up. I didn't know what a perm. Like I knew girls that did it, but we never really did it. The first time I had a perm is when I had my previous pixie cut. The one before this one, before I shaved my head, I'll try to find a picture. That was the last time I like permed my hair. It was first and the last time. Like the girlies kept saying, "You're gonna need a perm. You're gonna need a perm," and I'm like, no. Let's see how long I can go. I literally set myself up, but okay. I'm a very DIY girly when I want to be, so let's see how this goes. I did a strand test, which honestly, I don't know if I low-key needed it because I think it kind of messed me up with putting it on later, that I think I didn't have it on long enough, which y'all will see that I literally, my hair is like half curly, half perm. Somehow I managed to make that happen. You're going to see later on.
She's a fire sign, and I don't really know what that means.
It doesn't do too much for me, that's why. Go out with a bang, damn. What she gonna do for a ring? Damn. Same thing I do for the game. Damn. That's a real long list of things. You keep going away, but how was I extending yours?